When I make bread like this, there are no leftovers, ever. It's ready in less than 10 minutes. For this recipe, we will need 2 loaves of bread. Remove the crumbs and reserve the central part. Then in a bowl, add 2 eggs, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of oregano, and stir to combine. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can thank you for following our recipes. Also add 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of ham, and mix again. To continue, in a skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir until it melts. Next, add the center part of this bread. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and so delicious. I'm sure everybody will like the result. Now fill these loaves with the mixture that we made. And if you want to, you can change the filling for other things that you have in your house. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the recipe and write in the comments, "I love easy recipes." Cover it and let it cook. After one side is cooked, turn it over to cook the other. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. And our recipe is ready. Now all you have to do is enjoy. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.